Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Pearson, your elementary ELL teacher. Today we're going to do the vocabulary review sentences for second grade journeys, lesson 6, and our anchor text is animals building homes. So for this lesson, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper, and you're going to write your numbers 1 through 16 because you're going to write each of the vocabulary words correctly for each of our 16 sentences or slides, and each of the vocabulary words are going to be practiced twice because there's 8 targeted vocabulary words for animals building homes. Your teacher might have given you this worksheet, and if so, it's also all the 16 sentences from this PowerPoint. So please get your pencil and your paper or your worksheet. If you need to, push pause, and when you're ready, push play again to join us in the lesson. So our learning target is I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. So you're going to use pictures and context clues to choose the best vocabulary word. Success criteria, just like these people are climbing a mountain and it takes one step at a time, you are going to follow these steps to help you be successful at reaching your learning target. I will, number 1, read each sentence or group of words. 2, I will choose the vocabulary word that best fits each sentence. 3, write the correct vocabulary word on my whiteboard or paper. So let's review our vocabulary words. You do not need to write them yet. A is shaped, B, branches, C, pond, D, beaks, E, deepest, F, break, G, hang, and H, winding. Those are all of our 8 vocabulary words. So number 1, this is our first word. Birds use their blank to drink water. Look at your picture clues. What do you think birds use? Birds use their shaped to drink water. Birds use their branches to drink water. Birds use their pond to drink water, or birds use their beaks to drink water. What makes the most sense? Beaks. Birds use their beaks to drink water. B-E-A-K-S. Beaks. And if I'm going too fast, push pause so that you can write your word. Also, at the end of this lesson, I'm going to show you all 16 words, and you can also check your work then. Number 2, the blank on the trees were dying. The blank on the trees were dying. What do you think fits there? The shaped on the trees were dying, the branches on the trees were dying, the pond on the trees were dying, or the beaks on the trees were dying. Branches. The branches on the trees were dying. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. Branch is the root word. Branches means more than one. Number 3, there were turtles and fish in the blank. There were turtles and fish in the shaped. There were turtles and fish in the branches. There were turtles and fish in the pond. There were turtles and fish in the beaks. What do you think makes sense, given our picture clues? Pond. There were turtles and fish in the pond. P-O-N-D. There were turtles and fish in the pond. Number 4, The candy cane was blank like a J. The candy cane was shaped like a J. The candy cane was branches like a J. The candy cane was pond like a J. Or the candy cane was beaks like a J. Shaped. The candy cane was shaped like a J. S-H-A-P-E-D. Shaped. Number 5. The path was blank down the mountain. The path was blank down the mountain. Would it be the path was deepest down the mountain? The path was break down the mountain? The path was hang down the mountain? Or the path was winding down the mountain? Look at your picture clues. Winding. The path was winding down the mountain. Winding. That means curvy. W-I-N-D-I-N-G. Winding. The path was winding down the mountain. Number 6. I swam to the blank part of the pool. I swam to the blank part of the pool. I swam to the deepest part of the pool. I swam to the break part of the pool. I swam to the hang part of the pool. Or I swam to the winding part of the pool. Look at your picture clue there. What would make the most sense? Deepest. I swam to the deepest part of the pool. There's the word deep, D-E-E-P-E-S-T, deepest. I swam to the deepest part of the pool. Number 7. I didn't mean to blank the glass vase. I didn't mean to blank the glass vase. Would it be I didn't mean to deepest the glass vase? I didn't mean to break the glass vase. I didn't mean to hang the glass vase. Or I didn't mean to winding the glass vase. Look at your picture clues and what makes the most sense in the sentence. Break. I didn't mean to break the glass vase. B-R-E-A-K. Break. I didn't mean to break the glass vase. If I go too fast, push pause, but if not, we're on to number 8 and we're halfway done. I wanted to blank my picture on the wall. What makes the most sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? I wanted to deepest my picture on the wall. I wanted to break my picture on the wall. I wanted to hang my picture on the wall. Or I wanted to winding my picture on the wall. Hang, H-A-N-G. I wanted to hang my picture on the wall. I wanted to hang my picture on the wall. Number 9. The pool was blank like a jelly bean. The pool was blank like a jelly bean. Is it the pool was shaped like a jelly bean? The pool was branches like a jelly bean. The pool was pond like a jelly bean. Or the pool was beaks like a jelly bean. The pool was shaped like a jelly bean. Do you see how it has a similar shape to a jelly bean? S-H-A-P-E-D, shaped. The pool was shaped like a jelly bean. Number 10. There were blank stairs to the top. There were blank stairs to the top. There were deepest stairs to the top. There were break stairs to the top. There were hang stairs to the top. Or there were winding stairs to the top. Winding. Do you see how they are winding and going in a curve? There were winding stairs to the top. There were winding stairs to the top. W-I-N-D-I-N-G, winding. Number 11, birds use their blank to build homes. Birds use their blank to build homes. What do they use? Birds use their shaped to build homes. Birds use their branches to build homes. Birds use their pond to build homes. Or birds use their beaks to build homes. Beaks, B-E-A-K-S. Birds use their beaks to build homes. They carry the moss or the grass or even tiny branches with their beaks. So birds use their beaks to build homes. Number 12. Glass is easy to blank. Glass is easy to deepest. Glass is easy to break. Glass is easy to hang. Glass is easy to winding. What makes sense given where the word is in the sentence and our picture clue? Glass is easy to break. B-R-E-A-K. If you notice, the man in the picture is breaking the glass. B-R-E-A-K. I think his name is Gru. Gru is breaking his glass. Number 13. A monkey can blank from a tree. Use your picture clues. What do you think the monkey can do? A monkey can deepest from a tree. A monkey can break from a tree. A monkey can hang from a tree. Or a monkey can winding from a tree. Hang. A monkey can hang from a tree. A monkey can hang from a tree. H-A-N-G, hang. They can hang from their legs or even maybe their arms or their tail. Hang. 14. Some animals live in the blank part of the ocean. Some animals live in the blank part of the ocean. Would it be some animals live in the deepest part of the ocean? Some animals live in the break part of the ocean. Some animals live in the hang part of the ocean. Or some animals live in the winding part of the ocean. Look at your picture clues and where the word is in the sentence. Deepest. Some animals live in the deepest part of the ocean. D-E-E-P-E-S-T, deepest. Some animals live in the deepest part of the ocean. D-E-E-P-E-S-T, deepest. Number 15, you can see insects on the tree blank. You can see insects on the tree blank. You can see insects on the tree shaped. You can see insects on the tree branches. You can see insects on the tree pond, or you can see insects on the tree beaks. Look at your picture clues. What do you think it is? Branches. You can see insects on the tree branches. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. More than one branch is branches. Number 16. She went fishing in the little blank. She went fishing in the little blank. Would it be she went fishing in the little shaped? She went fishing in the little branches. She went fishing in the little pond. She went fishing in the little beaks. She went fishing in the little pond. P-O-N-D. She went fishing in the little pond. All right, now we're going to check your work. Get your pencil ready. Number 1 is beaks. 2, branches. 3, pond. 4, shaped. 5 is winding. 6 is deepest. 7 is break. And 8 is hang. If you need to check any of those, push pause so that you can correct your work. And then when you're ready to go, push play again to check the rest of them. Number 9, shaped. Number 10, winding. Number 11, beaks. Number 12, break. Number 13, hang. Number 14, deepest. Number 15, branches. And number 16, pond. All right, boys and girls, this is it. If you need to, push pause, check all your work, make sure you have all 16 words spelled correctly and in the right order. And then when you're ready to go, push play. Nice work. You have mastered your vocabulary words. Now let's do our reflection. How did you do on your learning target? I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. Would you give yourself a 4? And if so, put it on the top of your paper. I could teach this lesson. I easily selected all the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Would you give yourself a 3? I was able to select most of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. 2, I was able to select some of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or 1, I was not able to select any of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. How do you think you did? And put your reflection on the top of your paper. All right, boys and girls, thanks for doing the vocabulary review with me. I had fun. I hope you did too. Have a great day.